Yeah, viewers, yes, subscribers, big up on yourself. And I don't know, so Newlink is here from Newlink Production. And viewers and subscribers, right about now, Newlink have a really serious topic for come with and talk about right now, big people, because a 5-year-old youth has lost his life by drowning people. 5-year-old. And it was not just he who drowned at the time, because a man who tried to save this 5-year-old man, 5-year-old little boy, also lost his life as well. Tragic. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said that a 5-year-old American boy who is in Jamaica on vacation, you understand, vacation, holiday time and chill and relax with him father. So his dad, he's a Jamaican who live in Jamaica, right? He has 3 kids, 2 girl, a boy who is in America. So them come on vacation with them father now. So it is said that on Tuesday, the boy, his 2 sisters and another cousin, them went to the Martabury River, which is in Trelawney, because actually they are staying in Trelawney, right? They went to the Martabury River, and everybody knows the Martabury, them the rafting and all of them thing there. And if you don't know what rafting is some like, them get some bamboo, right? There's some people use stick, but some people use bamboo, and them create the bamboo them together, and them use it as a raft to raft on top of the water. So each raft, you got have a man who's like the captain of the raft, and him got tour you. But sometimes these captains, they are not really a professional swimmer or at times being. You get me? So, hear the story now. They said that they were on the raft, having their rafting and go, and the 5-year-old boy, he felt off the raft and dropped in the water. Viewers and subscribers, it is said that the man who is the captain, he jumped down trying to save the 5-year-old boy. But while him got down, him never come back up, and the 5-year-old boy never come back up, people. This happened from Tuesday, right? Divers from the JDF and the Marine, everybody, them go down there, them search, them still can't find him. Viewers and subscribers, the body of these 2 float up on the water Thursday, which is today, Thursday. You understand? So them search it Tuesday evening, them search it all of Wednesday, and them never find them. But between 2 o'clock and 2:30 today, Thursday, the bodies of the 5-year-old boy and that man who tried to save that boy, who lost his life also, float up on the top of the water. And this daddy is saying that he cannot believe his son is gone right now, because he said his son, they just came on vacation 2 weeks ago. You understand? Spending time with him, and him cannot believe he lost his son this way. And he don't know if he ever go leave him, because his son who him loves so much. People, honestly, I'm just saying still, right? A 5-year-old boy and a rafting, right? You cannot have him at one end of a raft, which is really wrong. You have to have him between the 2 bigger kids them, right? Or somebody hold him, because you cannot leave him. A raft, people, and a Martabury River, it's not, we have it go up and down, it's a steady water. Steady. Someone know him, like John, it's like, oh my God. It's really heartbreaking, people. Young man is just imagine the mother of this little boy, because I haven't get any news from the mother if she spoke or anything like that. You understand? But just imagine how she feel right now if you know that our 5-year-old baby has gone. Just even the 2 sisters who were there with him, the bigger cousin was there. A life has been lost, but I'm looking at it and I'm saying right now, something could have prevented something there. You get me? I say, you cannot leave the 5-year-old boy to do that by himself. People, it really hurt, it really sad. And viewers and subscribers, listen me. If you're going on vacation, whether you're going to Jamaica, whether you're going to any country, you're going in the Caribbean, in the Europe, United States, Canada, England, anywhere, you see a youth, your little baby boy, them with a 5 or 6, please watch out for them. Please pay attention. You understand? Please pay attention. As a mother or a father, please don't allow sometimes your kids to go out with the 2 sister or brother. Be there as a parent with a kid. And hold him. Because 5-year-old is just, boy, it's sad. And the man lost his life also because he might try. You get me? I say, he might try because he knows say a female rafting of people. And he knows say, you understand, maybe he even have a license for the rafting thing. And he might try to save him, but in the end, him lost his life also, which is really sad. And I have to send my condolences to his family as well, of that man who tried. Because honestly, I look at him as a hero because I'm trying him. Wow, it's really tough. Viewers and subscribers, we just have to really be careful. You get me? We have to be careful. We have to just play the parent role better at times, man. Play it better. Because things can end up where they be in the same situation like these parents right now. Viewers and subscribers, this is Newlink from Newlink Production. And don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, please hit that notification button. So as Newlink drop a video, you will automatically get the notification. People, hit the bell icon down there. Remember, Newlink Kid Street coming up September the 8th in Jamaica. Please support. Give your love. Big up. Attack. Newlink said that. Big up.